Hey guys, I made this Japanese knot bag and it's reversible. First I made a template. I cut out 4 pieces, 2 of one color and 2 of another color. Pair the colors with the backs facing out and sew the top of the straps. I sewed 3/8 of an inch from the edge. Then open it. Next align the pieces with the backs facing out. Then sew around the hole. Cut slits wherever there's curves. Then put the top layer in the hole and align the pieces. I shifted my needle to the left and made a top stitch around the hole. Starting from one handle, roll up one side. Then wrap the rolled part with the other handle. Align the fabric and sew the edge of the handle. Make sure not to sew the roll inside. Cut slits around the curves. Then pull the roll and turn the handle inside out. Do the same to the other handle. Pull the roll inside to straighten the fabric. Then sew the edge of the handle. With the needle down, pull the roll to straighten the fabric, and continue sewing. Cut slits around the curves and turn the handle inside out. Next, pair the colors. Then sew around the edge and leave an opening. Cut slits around the curves and turn it inside out. Then top stitch the handles. I sewed the opening closed with a ladder stitch. To do this, starting from under the fabric, bring the needle up. Make a stitch in the other fabric, go across and make a stitch in the first fabric, and continue the pattern. Knot the end and tuck it in. And here's how it turned out.